Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
Have you seat? Thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. What's your name? My name is Arabi. Arabi, very nice name. What time do you get up? I get up at about 8. 8. What time is breakfast at your home? Breakfast is hours at 10. What do you generally do over the weekend? I generally play cricket and watch TV. Did you watch television last night? Yes, I did. I saw several good programs. What do you usually do in the afternoon? I usually do read or study. Okay, now you may go. Thank you.